Hello, interweb. Here's a recipe for a creamy protein shake with 71 grams of protein and under 640 calories. It consists of peanut butter protein, pea protein, frozen bananas, frozen berries from Costco, soy milk, super seeds for fiber and consistency, and cocoa powder because it's delicious and good for you. To mix the shake, I use the Blendtec 34-ounce Go Cup, which is outrageously expensive but is very durable and high quality. Starting with the bananas, I put in 94 grams, then 49 grams of the 4-berry blend, 31 grams of peanut butter protein, (42 grams of pea protein), then come the super seeds with 32 grams, and finally 11 grams of delicious cocoa powder. I'm also adding 6 grams of creatine to make sure that I maximize my gains. Then I basically fill the cup to the top with soy milk, which comes out to about 400 grams, even though I couldn't make it exact.
Oh, 400. Make it even. Look at that.
After putting on the lid, I like to give it a good shake to pre-mix it before starting the blender. I use the pre-programmed smoothie setting on the Blendtec, which I believe goes for about 40 seconds, and sounds like you're putting logs in a wood chipper, which I think is probably something they did on their YouTube channel at one point. When you're done, you have a creamy, chocolatey shake that, depending on your protein needs, provides you with nearly all the protein you need in a day. It's pretty good. There's usually some leftover at the bottom that is difficult to get out, so I usually put some water in, give it a good shake, and then drink the water. Then I'm hydrated for the day as well. Going over to the macros, here are the ingredients on the left side, then the serving size and how much I put in on the right side. Here you can see that I have over 1 serving with some ingredients and less than 1 serving with others. Multiplying the grams of protein per serving by the number of servings that are in this shake gives you how much protein there is from each ingredient, and comes out to 71 grams. In terms of fiber, there are 24.2 grams, which is over 4 times the daily recommended value of fiber. Like I mentioned earlier, there are nearly 640 calories in this shake, so you don't want to eat it as a snack, but if you're eating it as a main course of a meal, it's not bad. And there you have it, my creamy, chocolatey shake with 71 grams of protein, 24 grams of fiber, all under 640 calories. Enjoy!